With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have been given a list. We have leech, Nereis, Scolopendra, prawn, and scorpion. And they are saying all of these have a segmented body organization. What we have to say is whether because of this segmented organization we are going to classify them in a single group, and if not, we have to give the important characters which separate these organisms, the reason why we are placing them into different groups. Now we all know that the animal kingdom is a very big, highly diversified group in our living world, and this is why we have further divided the animals into many categories. We have classified them into many different groups on the basis of some criteria. Now the animals that are given to us here, out of these, leech and Nereis, both of them are going to belong to the phylum Annelida, whereas Scolopendra, which is the name for centipede, we use the scientific name for centipede, after this prawn and scorpion, all of these three are going to be placed under Arthropoda, which is also the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Now we have some similarities between these two groups. In both of them, as is mentioned in the question as well, they are showing a segmented body. Segmented body means that not only can we see their body divided into these segments from the outside, but their organ differentiation is also according to these segments, even on the inside. So in case of Annelida and Arthropoda, in both cases we are going to see segmented body. So segmentation is the common factor for both the groups, and also their body symmetry is going to be bilateral, and both of them are coelomate groups. So we have a lot of common characteristics, but what differentiates both these phyla from each other? Why they are different phyla under the animal group? The reason is that we are going to see some characteristics in Arthropoda that are not there in Annelida. First of all, when we compare their blood vascular system or their circulatory system, we are going to see that in the case of Annelida, they have well-developed blood vessels in which the blood remains confined. So annelids have closed type of circulatory system. Leech, Nereis, earthworm, all of these are common examples of annelids. Whereas in the case of Arthropoda, we are going to see that the circulatory system is of open type. They do not have well-developed blood vessels in which the blood can remain confined. The blood keeps getting filled in the body cavity. So first point of difference is going to be closed type of circulatory system in Annelida and open type in arthropods. Apart from this, we are also going to see that in arthropods we will find jointed appendages, jointed legs. Whether it is centipede, prawn, scorpion, or any kind of insect, we are always going to see these jointed legs. But in the case of annelids, obviously, earthworm doesn't have any such appendages or any such jointed structures. So this differentiates between both the groups. And also, we are going to see a hard exoskeleton made of chitin in the case of all arthropods. So the chitinous exoskeleton is also a factor which makes this group unique. The arthropods are going to possess it. So if we have to group these organisms, if we have to classify them, leech and Nereis are going to be together in Annelida phylum, whereas Scolopendra, prawn and scorpion, they are all arthropods. And even though both have segmented body, both have bilateral symmetry, both are coelomate, both are triploblastic, even after all these similarities, because of these points of difference, we have made two different phyla for these animals. Open type of circulatory system we'll find in Arthropoda. In annelids, it's going to be closed type. And the jointed legs and chitinous exoskeleton of the arthropods is also going to be absent in the annelids.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.